It's WrestleMania weekend, and we're going to open a pack of 2001 Fleer WWE Wrestling cards. WrestleMania series. Here we go. Who will we find? Who's inside? Sweet series. We start off with a Divas card. The lovely Jacqueline. Next, we have a tag team insert of Test and Albert. Good old JR. Oops, I skipped a card. Who's behind Test and Albert? The People's Champ. The Rock Bottom. Very nice on Kurt Angle. We have Jim Ross. Next, we have Hardcore Holly with that standing drop kick. Very nice. Next, we have another Divas card. Tori. And the last card in the pack. Gangrel the Vampire. Hit that subscribe button and start collecting with us.